So today we got arms and shoulders. You can see, started off with the push downs here. I did 3 for 12. And then here we got the extensions. I also did 3 for 10 each arm. As you can see, these were very painful, but we did it. Yeah, I really like to get the stretch here. You gotta make sure to stretch that muscle, or you're not gonna get the full progress. Okay, here we did the kickbacks. I did 3 for 15 each arm, obviously. Really hit that full extension at the top. These actually feel really good. And then here we got the military press sitting down. This is one of my favorite lifts. I really like to get all the way down to the bottom here. Yeah, these feel really good. Okay, here's another angle. I went up in weight a little bit. These, I tried to get 10, but if I couldn't, I would do 8 for 3 reps or sets. And this is the last set. I went up in weight again. I went until I failed, as you'll see at the end of this. So yeah, let's go.
So in Congress, I've been obsessed with lowering their costs. Even with Trump to sign my bill, forcing drug companies to show their real prices. Because to me, this is personal. We as Americans
Right here we got lateral raises. I did 3 for 12. I went up in weight after all the sets. And then here we got the barbell strict curl, my absolute favorite. You can see I can get the stretch at the end, at the bottom. And here we got the dumbbell curls, sitting down, 3 for 12. These are also really good to get a really good burn. As you can see, I was sweating here really bad.